Okay guys, you can see here I've got the little Kadette Model 35 AC back together, and it was quite a challenge, but it was definitely fun and definitely rewarding here to kind of get to the end now and see the final result. So since my last update where I put the stain and the toner lacquers on, I've since applied the clear coats. The only thing I really have pending, I've got to make a decision if I want to move forward with a water slide Kadette decal in this area. I missed an opportunity before I put the clear coats on to do a inkjet printer wax paper transfer method, which I've used in the past, but since I've got the clear on there now, it's not possible to use that technique. I can reproduce again a water slide decal. I may go forward. Anyway, after doing the rub out here, only after a week, just using some 4/0 steel wool and filling the grain best I could. It's not 100% filled, but it kind of gives it some character. The whole dial assembly here was redone. This paint's not 100% cured. It is dry but not cured, so I'm not going to stick my finger in here to use the dial feature, but overall though it turned out pretty well. I considered reproducing this piece, but I like the aging of that since everything else looks practically new. You guys saw this finger stop here. I recreated this piece to mirror some photos that I saw, so I think that turned out pretty well. And this thing's a great player. I'm only got a little 6-8 foot antenna hooked up to it right now with no ground, and I'll kind of tune through here.
Bride of Christ should certainly be a woman of virtue.
On the conservative side, as he has gotten older, $1 million dead cat hit here. That's
I think that was.
You know, considering the amount of work that went into the electrical restoration with correcting that issue with the output transformer, in addition to the cabinet, I think it looks fairly well. So I appreciate you guys following along on this series. I'll let you guys know later on what I decide to do here, if I want to even fool with a water slide or just leave it alone. You guys take care. Again, thanks for watching the series here on the little Kadette Model 35 AC from the mid-1930s. Hope you'll join me for my next project. I'll go dig out another one from the warehouse here soon, after I get caught up on a few other chores here around the house. You guys take care.